Hey guys, it's Shari J and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited because I'm bringing you the first episode of my new series called Wellness Wednesdays, where I discuss everything related to self-care. If you checked out my last video, I discussed that I was dealing with depression last year, 2020. I mean, I feel like who wasn't? It was such a crazy, ridiculous year. But this year I really want to focus on myself and getting back to just being me fully, completely. And I've been doing a lot of things so far to kind of help guide me in that path. I'm also looking into going to therapy as well. So I just want to discuss some things that I'm doing to take care of my mental health and just wellness all over. So for this episode, I'm going to give you a recipe that I find so easy. This was like the first recipe that I did when I started this new caring for myself journey, and it's super easy, it's super delicious, and I feel like anybody could do it. And you can moderate it if you have different dietary needs. You can obviously add or substitute some things that I'm going to present you with here. And it's just an easy stir fry. For me, I love to cook, but I don't like meals that take a long time to prep. I've done those meals and I don't usually go back to those meals, but this one is an easy one that you can definitely go to whenever you don't have a lot of time, or if you just want to get something that's going to be easy, that's also going to be really, really good. So this is a chicken stir fry. Again, if you want to substitute the chicken out for some tofu, definitely do that. And this is something that you can obviously start from scratch and cut up with all your different vegetables, but I don't got time for that, so I went ahead and just went to my freezer aisle in my local Kroger, and I got this. These are so handy. They're the stir fry starter mixes. You can just get them in a bag like this, but if you have a family, you can get the bigger bag. And again, if you don't want to go the freezer route, you can definitely cut up your own vegetables and make it from scratch. This was just an easier option for me because I don't like cutting up all those things. And I like to add, and I really like broccoli, so I went ahead and bought a big old bag of broccoli, and I just added more broccoli into it, and also some French style beans. These are like $1 a pack at Kroger. The starter stir fry kits are for $5, so it's very, very, very inexpensive. And obviously you can get chicken anywhere you want. Go the organic route or not. It's up to you. You do what you want. I'm not trying to preach to y'all. But basically it just includes vegetables, chicken, and this sauce. Now the only reason why I wanted to make my own sauce is because a lot of stir fry kits, if you buy them like Bird's Eye for example, they have a stir fry kit that comes with a sauce, but usually those sauces are like full of fat and they're high calorie, and you just don't really know what they're made out of. So I decided to look at Pinterest. I love Pinterest, it's like everything, and I found a sauce that I like. It didn't have that many ingredients. They were all pretty reasonable when it came to like calories and fat wise, and I just made it up, and it's super delicious. Probably the best sauce that I've ever made ever in my life, like for real. It's really, really good, and it's not that time consuming. It did take a little bit of time to mince the garlic and mince the ginger, but after you get done with that, everything else is just super easy peasy. So I first did that first. I whipped up my sauce first. You just put all the ingredients in a jar, shake it up, done, boom, bam. Super duper easy. And I put that in the fridge. I let it sit a little bit because that cornstarch helps thicken the sauce up, and I just let that sit in the fridge, and then I went ahead and made my chicken. So I used chicken tenders. You can use chicken breast if you like. Again, if you're vegan or you just trying to stay away from meat, you can use tofu or whatever other meat supplement is out there. Because there are so many, especially now, there's so many. So you can use that, and I like to just season mine with just like salt, pepper, garlic, and a little bit of chipotle chili seasoning. I know that's crazy, but that's just what I like. So you season it whatever you like. Of course, you know how to cook chicken or whatever meat substitute you're going to cook it with, and then that is done. Now I prefer to cut up my chicken when it's cooked. I don't really like cutting up raw chicken. I don't know why, but that's just me. So I just went ahead and cut those up after it's over, and I cut it up in bite-sized pieces. So then that is done. How easy is that? The next thing you're going to do is cook your frozen vegetables or your raw vegetables, whichever one you choose. And when it comes to the frozen vegetables, I cannot stand mushy brown vegetables. It's like the bane of my existence. I cannot stand it. So when it comes to cooking vegetables, since I don't have a steamer, I just boil some water. I put all my frozen vegetables in there. Again, my extra broccoli, my extra string beans. And then I turn off the heat, and then I put a timer on for 3 minutes. After that 3 minutes is up, I go ahead and strain the vegetables. And so they're nice and beautiful. They still have that crunch to them. Again, you don't want no mushy brown vegetables. That ain't cute. All the nutrition is gone when it gets to that point. We not doing that in 2021, okay? So you want to go ahead and strain those vegetables, and then those are all good to go as well. So then you just go ahead and put everything together, your vegetables, your chicken or meat substitute, put the sauce over there, warm it up, and that is it. It is so good. It's such an easy, quick meal, and I feel like if you are like me, trying to get back into the swing of things, trying to be healthy in 2021, this is the perfect way to get started. This is what I did, and I'm telling you, it's such an easy and delicious meal. That sauce is bomb too. You can taste the ginger, the garlic. Oh my god, it's just so tasty and tangy, and I love it. And then especially the next day, it's even better after that, because all the juices and stuff that get to just sit in the sauce is just, it's bomb. It's just really, really good. So hopefully you guys will try this out. If you do, let me know. And if you, I mean, who doesn't like a good stir fry? So if you've tried any other stir fries, you got a good sauce that maybe is less calories, or you know, more ingredients, more flavorful, definitely leave your suggestions down below. Share the wealth. That's all we're trying to do, is help each other in this crazy time. So definitely do that as well. And I hope you guys will enjoy this series. I'm really excited to just start talking about how I'm on this journey to better self-help. Again, y'all know my last video, I cut some people off in 2020, and that was the first start. So now I'm just on to the next, I bought an Apple Watch, so I'm trying to get the health together as well. And this has been awesome. Maybe I'll talk about that in my next video, but that has really helped me kind of keep track of what I'm doing, and it also just tells you what you need to do. Like I've already exceeded my move goal today, and it's only like 11 o'clock a.m. all right, so anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you would want to see in the next one in this series, and yeah, I'll see you guys on Friday. I'll have another video for you guys, and that one I'm going to be talking about our plants, because you guys are begging to know what's going on, which I find really kind of interesting, because I didn't think anybody liked my plant videos, but I guess there's an audience for that on this channel, so that's cool as well. So I'll see you guys then, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.